If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. And today we are going to be making an Indo-Chinese recipe, the Schezwan Noodles with prawn. And as this is Schezwan, you might be thinking that it will be too spicy. But it's not that spicy that you need a whole gallon of water just to absorb the heat. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the prawn Schezwan noodles are 1 capsicum which is cut into julienne, 1 sliced onion, a quarter cup of finely chopped cabbage, 1 carrot which is cut into julienne, and 1 or 2 roughly chopped French bean. Then around 300 grams of noodles, and take good quality one and which are little thick so that they can really absorb the moisture. Even after it's cooked for more than an hour, it will be still moist. Then half a cup, around 50 grams of prawn which I have already sauteed with a little bit of red chilli powder. Then 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce, and you can use ready-made Schezwan sauce, but if you want to make this at home, then you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description below or click on this above link. Then 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 to 3 chopped red chillies, 1 to 2 spring onion greens which are for garnishing, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and some salt to taste. Now take lots of water in a pot and bring this to a boil. Then to that add some salt to taste and a tablespoon of oil, just to prevent the noodles from sticking to each other. Then once the water starts to boil, add the noodles. But remember, don't break them. And for how long you need to cook the noodles, for that you need to check the pack for the instructions. But roughly this will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Then remove from heat, strain the noodles and keep it aside. Then take a wok or a pan. To that add around 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Then first goes in the ginger and garlic paste, followed by the chopped red chillies. And by adding the chilies in the beginning, it really enhances the flavor by flavoring the oil. And if you don't have chili oil, you should try this for various recipes. It will make a difference. Then after a minute or so, add all the vegetables: the onion, cabbage, carrot, French beans, and the capsicum. Now keeping on high flame, saute them for a couple of minutes. Then after that, before adding the ketchup and all the sauce, add half a cup of water, just to prevent them from burning or sticking to the pan. Then lower the flame a little, add all the sauce and the ketchup. And before adding the salt, remember that we have already added the salt to the noodles and also using the soy sauce in this recipe. So add salt according to that. Then combine them really well. Then add the prawns. Gently add the noodles. Then coat them really well. Do it as you are comfortable, like tossing or with a spatula. That's it, the prawn Schezwan noodles. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. And remember, don't just eat to live, live to live. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out.